Now this is the Port Clinton Railroad Strauss Bascule Bridge crosses the Porter's River in Port Clinton, Ohio, and it's still in use, it's still in service. And I'm gonna show you something real quick. I'm gonna show you. You see this? Yeah, this bridge is about to. It was still lowered. Yeah, because the train's about to go over this bridge. It goes over this bridge a lot. You see, it's up close. You got two girders, one end and the other side of the end. You got the first 4-track bridge built. See, look at this, it's a nice one. And the concrete kind of way it's white. So, and you see, look at this right there. Yeah. You got the shanty or operator's house in the left-hand side, and then I guess like the operators. That's a car of the person that operates this bridge right here, right? See, look at the kind of way, look at everything. You got two girders on each end of the Bascule bridge. See that? See how close? You see? One on the right, far right, and one on the far left. You see, trains is going past this bridge. It's going over this bridge, Yeah. See, look at the details of this bridge. Yeah. You see the bridge is raised for boats. You see, look at this. See, look at all the details of it. You see, look. Yeah. Yep, it's raised. Yeah, you see? Look at it. And then the boats come through, and then with the trains is blowing a horn, then I'm showing you it lowers back to the closed position, and it stays close to boats when they come through it. See, it's back lowered, and the trains is about to roll through over this bridge. It's built in 1915 by the Strauss Bascule Bridge Company. Important engineer, inventor, Joseph Burton Strauss. That built the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California. Yeah, so it's located in Port Clinton, Ohio.